He's caught up in one of the toughest political battles of his life in Amritsar.
बहुत देर तो अमृतसर आ रहे हैं। मेरा ख्याल 47 साल हो गए मैंने सियासत की और इस सियासत सालां दे विच तकरीबन 500 बार मेरा ख्याल जरूर है।
At 72, Captain Amarinder Singh is leaving no stone unturned to win this election and give his political career a new leap.
I don't think so. I don't know. People are making it out into a big battle. I don't make it out into a big battle. I've never been under pressure. I think my battle, which I fought in 77 against the SGPC president, Mr. Gurcharan Singh Todda, when I was a Congress candidate from Patiala, and I lost that seat. I think that was under pressure. And that time I was in 77. How old was I? Whatever it was. I was born in 42, so 35 or something. But that was a large, because my constituency then was 1760 villages, and I had 11 days to do it in.
Okay.
This was... चलो आओ मैं अकेला ला लो आओ हाँ जी
ठीक है बहुत बढ़िया करके आए जी
केड़ा दरबार साहब वाला देख भी नहीं था आ गया
आया तो नहीं
अच्छा
और चर्चा शायद बड़ी
अच्छा
But you stood up to be counted. The party chief wanted you.
This time? Well, this time it was like this, that the Congress president and I had a meeting. I went to call on her and she asked me, would I like to fight Amritsar? And I told her, I said, ma'am, the final decision is yours.
Before filing his nomination, Captain Amarinder makes sure he seeks the divine blessings of the Almighty. A special prayer organized by his workers at the Court Road office for his family. A quick media briefing.
The one that is going on here are chemical-induced drugs which are self-homemade. और ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਇਹ ਸਾਰੇ ਅਕਾਲੀ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਇੱਥੇ ਦੇ ਮੁਖੀ ਨੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਇਨਵੋਲਵ why did I say so? Because CBI and
And he zips across to file his nomination. Confident and all set to give back the much needed punch to his opposition.
Are you confident?
Very confident.
You think this is Captain Saab's toughest fight?
It's everyone's toughest fight. Every fight is tough. So that makes it more interesting and more reason to
You're
win.
fighting your own battle in Patiala and you think in Amritsar he's going to make a comeback.
I think he'll do better than me.
Yeah?
It's a clash of titans in this holy city of Amritsar. A fight between Captain Amarinder Singh, who resigned from the Congress in 1984 and returned to the party in the late 90s. Against him is BJP's high-profile leader, Arun Jaitley.
Fire and brimstone, every day we see you locked in a battle with Jaitley. The moment you say something, he comes out with a counter statement. We've been tracking you. Jaitley's fight has been the most fiery.
He's brought his team from his law practice, and they sit here and they keep like in the in court, giving briefs on various things and all. It's not a way you fight elections. He's never fought an election in his life. He's always appeared through the back alleys into the Rajya Sabha.
Some call you a reluctant candidate in the beginning, but I think you're doing more groundwork. Is that correct? Is that an observation or am I correct?
You know, this is my 14th or 15th election. So I know how to fight elections. No, three times Lok Sabha and 4 times, and the rest was Vidhan Sabha. Elections are elections, but then 3 elections or 4 elections I fought for the whole of Punjab as PCC president and chief minister. So I know how to fight elections. Mr. Jaitley is a little babe in the woods as far as elections are concerned, and I don't think he knows anything.
Modi keeps talking about AK-47, 49 and AK-Anthony. Are you going to be the AK-47 gunning down Mr. Jaitley in Amritsar?
No, I don't think you'll need an AK-47 to knock down Mr. Jaitley. You know, when we were children, we had those pop guns where those corks flew out.
Yeah.
That is good enough for Jaitley.
And what about Blue Star? They keep questioning you about Blue Star.
They don't question me, I question them.
Yeah, you've been doing that, but they also say, you know, he's got back to the same Congress party that he quit back in '84.
And that is exactly what I'm saying, is that Mr. Bajwa, Mr. Badal and the BJP were very much involved in it. So which party does one go to?
From the serenity of the Golden Temple to another religious abode, Captain Amarinder Singh is also to please not just the voters, but the gods as well.
How big do you think this 84 factor will turn out to be in the elections?
84 factor is not an issue, as far as, and I don't want it to be an issue. I think this thing, look, Blue Star will go down in history as the Kalukaras, which were earlier on fought at the time of Abdalis when 6 were shot and killed and all. That all is going to come into, it's gone into history. But the thing is that I think a time has come that we have to bypass this and now start thinking of the future of our state and other things.
Time to close the chapter.
Close the chapter and get on with life.
By the same logic, you know, don't you think the BJP will also ask you the same question? Why don't you treat 2002 as a closed chapter?
2000 do what? Close the chapter?
Yeah.
So let Badal say he was party to this decision and the chapter is closed as far as I'm concerned. But he can't get out of it. You want to put the whole blame on Mrs. Indira Gandhi and on the Congress party. What about those other chaps who pushed her into it?
It's evening and many have gathered to welcome the former Chief Minister to hear his development agenda for this constituency.
जो अमृतसर का सब पंजाब का अमृतसर का छठो सब पंजाब का सब बड़ा गुंडा पता नहीं कितने लोगों दुख पहुंचाया इसने कितने गरीबां नूं इहने मारे जिस तरीके नाल ड्रग दा स्कैम करदा रहंदा
Vociferous at his rallies, Captain Amarinder hits out at Narendra Modi for what he terms divisive policy.
Conceded that Modi has done some work in Gujarat.
Yeah, he has. He has done.
Why do you think that he can't do the same thing?
I don't think just being a good chief minister makes you a good prime minister. I think prime minister has many more things to do. I mean, he must have a wider horizon. He must have the background of so many things. I mean, Modi, for instance, Bhagat Singh, he says he was incarcerated in the Andaman Island in the jail. I mean, he doesn't know the history of the country. He has to interact with international leaders, and I don't think he has it in him to do that.
कि मैं सोच रहा तुसी अमृतसर प्लीज जाके लड़ो मेरे लिए लड़ोगे मैं कि मैं जरूर थोड़े लिए लड़ांगा और मैं
It's the last stop of the day, where he addresses voters.
पता है कि कचहरियां ਵਿੱਚ ਘੜੀਸ ਕੇ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਜਾਵਾਂਗੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ ਲੱਗ ਜਾਊਗਾ ਮਜੀਠੇ ਨੂੰ ਕਿੱਥੇ ਲੋਕਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਦੁੱਖ ਦੇਗਾ
hoping that he will be able to resurrect the Congress stronghold in this holy city of Amritsar. Here's just a glimpse of his popularity index and the kind of mass support that Captain Amarinder Singh, the former Punjab Chief Minister, enjoys here in Amritsar. Thrown into this battle by his party president, he's not taking any chances. He says he's a fighter and has never lost a battle, and he's looking to deliver the knockout punch at Arun Jaitley.
There you see so much affection they are giving. It's a very good feeling.
Confident.
I'm 100% confident.
All the very best.
Thank you so much. Thank you.